Welcome back to Harry's Tech, and today we have some new news of the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro's screen size, battery, the quality of the screen, and the Whitechapel chip that's used in the phones itself. So let's start off with the Pixel 6 Pro. It will have a 6.67 inch curved display, and according to yesterday's report by Max Weinbach, the Google Pixel 6 will have a Full HD Plus at 120 Hz, and the Pixel 6 Pro a Quad HD Plus with 120 Hz. And just so everyone knows what the Pixel 6 Pro looks like, here it is now with its 3 cameras, its beautiful curved screen. And now on to the chip. He says yes, the Whitechapel is a 5nm chip with a current performance compared to the Snapdragon 870 and in between the 888, so that's powerful than the 870 but not as powerful as the 888. On 5nm, that is perfectly fine. You're going to get plenty of power, all the power you need, and battery life should be great, especially seeing that it's a Google chip with their own software, so it should be really utilized well for efficiency and performance. And now the battery claims that it's a 5000 mAh battery for the 6 Pro, and then most people have heard a 4400 for the Pixel 6. Now 5000 mAh battery for the 6 Pro, a 6.67 inch screen with a 5nm chip. With Google, it just sounds like it's going to be like the best phone for battery maybe this year. And yeah, so Quad HD screen, 120 Hz on the 6 Pro, and then obviously 1080p Full HD 120 Hz for the 6, which is here, which just in case has obviously a flat screen at 6.4 inches and 2 cameras. And now the custom SoC will bring back the NPU, which is the new neural processing unit, which has been on other Google phones except last year's Google Pixel 5, which is unfortunate because it took a while to process the image. And overall, the NPU helps make it look better and processes it faster with better colours. And that's all for today's video. If you did enjoy, please leave a like, subscribe. If you didn't like it, click the thumbs down twice. Stick around, and I hope to see you in the next one.